Introducing the NanoFabTx drug delivery platform, a new product line that enables the synthesis of micro or nanoparticle-based formulations for drug delivery applications. NanoFabTx kits include all the required starting materials and a detailed, step-by-step protocol for synthesizing drug-loaded particles, finally giving scientists the ability to easily encapsulate their own API of interest without becoming a formulations expert. Protocols include methods for preparation via conventional nanoprecipitation, as well as using microfluidics. Kits for biodegradable particle formation are available using PLGA, PLA, and pegylated PLGA. A preclinical screening kit is available that is specifically designed for pharma R&D applications and includes material taken from GMP lots. Materials are available for bulk purchase for scale-up processes. Reagent kits contain all the starting materials you need for the encapsulation of the API of your choice as micro or nanoparticles. The instructions begin with the preparation of the polymer and stabilizer from stock solutions. Once mixed, the API is encapsulated, enhancing solubility and allowing for precise control of the dosage and release rate. Microfluidics-based formulation methods generate the most monodispersed particles and are highly reproducible. Our reusable device kits contain the required microfluidics components. The assembled device is connected to either a commercial microfluidic system from Dolomite Microfluidics or to a syringe pump. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions to connect the assembled device to your pumps, prepare the reagents, and start making your formulations. The NanoFabTx platform provides a flexible solution for researchers who are seeking a better nanoformulation technology to formulate their novel drug candidates.